Hello, my name is Lance Liam. Mabuhay and welcome to Travel Tour Adventure here in Rome, Italy. And this is the Vatican City, St. Peter's Square, or Basilica de Roma. Alright. So yan po yung nasa labas ng ating Vatican City at pumasok po tayo dyan at pumila tayo. At nakita natin ang ganda ng ating St. Peter's Square Basilica. Alright, so yan, nakapila po tayo dyan. Ayan, nasa loob na tayo at nakita natin kung saan hinimlay si John Paul II. Alright, once again, this is Lance Liam and welcome to Rome, Italy, Vatican City. Thank you. Viva Roma, Italia. Buongiorno.